Finds you well. Ho, ho, it looks like it's going to be another scorcher. Ice cream? Inspired choice, sir. Now finding your route. Right, we're off then. Approaching your final destination. You have arrived, Pink. Pink lemonade sherbet? Oh, what an excellent choice, sir. That certainly brings back memories. Ah, yes, my father was a compass, you know, and he just loved Pinkaroni.
Where am I, dear boy? Ice cream? Oh dear, no, no, no. My baby deserves something much healthier. Now, let's see here. A healthy smoothie would be just the thing for my little puppet. Now let's buckle up. You can never be too safe. Just look at Granny's little prince. Let's get going, shall we? Hello, dear. I'd like to order an extra large Razamagogo, Omega Gamma 3B Happy Tilapia Fibroblaster with extra broccoli foam to go, please. Bottoms up, dear. Now, isn't that so much better than ice cream? Ah, what a lovely day. Ah, this dry heat does wonders for my complexion, don't you, Blanky?
Ice cream? That's a great idea, brother. What are we waiting for? Time to push it to the max, brother! Pedal to the metal! Here comes our shortcut, brother. This'll save us loads of traffic time. To the extreme! Who needs a highway when we can go my way? Now this is my kind of traffic. Right turn coming up. I could have sworn it was around here somewhere. Whoa, 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 hey, hey, whoa, take it easy, brother. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait now, don't be so hasty, sir. Welcome to make your own Happy Chef Pizza. It's gonna make you very happy in the tummy. Before you make the pizza, make sure you have plenty of counter space. Good. Now open your Happy Chef Pizza kit. Use the flour and the water to make the pizza dough. Next, to make your dough rise, open the yeast and add half of its contents to the dough. Make sure you don't use more than half. Turn the dough into pizza crust. For a perfect shape and thickness, carefully lift the dough with both hands and give it a good spin as you toss it in the air. Ah! Sauce is the heart and soul of your Happy Chef pizza. For a zesty homemade sauce, chop a clove of garlic and add an onion into a skillet. Now, get ready for one of the happiest dining experiences of your life. When things start to sizzle, add a tomato. The Happy Chef has provided you with one, but to be sure it's ripe, hold it up to eye level and squeeze gently. A fresh, ripe tomato is firm and has a summer spring to it. When you're sure your tomato is ripe and fresh, crash it into your frying pan to capture its flavor. Putting a sauce on a pizza is an art form all its own. Some pizza chefs use a butter knife. Others prefer the bottom of a soup ladle. As with any art, each artist must find what works best. The trick is to spread it not too thin, but not too thick, and even all around. A time to top off your masterpiece with the toppings. Cheese, mushrooms, sausage. And whatever else you like. Now, put your pie in the oven, set your timer, and get ready to enjoy. The only way you're not a very happy chef right now is if you forgot to turn on the oven. But the Happy Chef's got just the thing for you. How's that for convenience? Congratulations, pizza maker! There's only one thing left to do to make your pizza experience complete. Clean up! Seriously now, clean up!